in this video, I'm using Sauter DDC model AS525 connected to several sensors and actuators. This DDC provides a good advantage for us in this video. First, it uses BACnet protocol. Second, it has a web interface that can enable us monitor what is actually happening in our air handling unit. Let's start the HOS. It is very easy to add new photos to HOS internal photos. Let's select one and then top it with the alpha channel AHU. You would click on the edit switch. Yes, this red switch, which will turn blue when it's on. Now click at the location where the button you wish will appear, and the protocol selector will appear below. Since I'm using HOS All-in-One Live Edition, I should see all HOS available protocols: Apple HomeKit, Digital Strom, KNX, IP, and the one we need, the BACnet. So let's click it. This menu is the starting point. So we have the IP address, which is 192.168.1.4 for the AS525. The device ID or instance number, sometimes called DOI, is needed also if it's above 127. Clicking scan tags will show the list of the control points or tags exactly as it shows on our web interface. So I click the fan multi-state tag. Click select and then the correct button below. This appearing icon looks like yellow heart. It's for the favorite icons that I can choose from. So it shows many icons. I'm sure the fan is down there somewhere. Aha! Here it is, a fine suitable return air fan. Now click the correct button below and voila! Here is the fan. Look at the fan, it's actually turning and the stage number above it is showing 2. This means stage 2 is selected in real. If I click once, yes, it is actually changing. I got it now. So the single click return to auto mode, which is predefined at the FBD to fan stage 1. If I click and hold, I will decrease the value to stop the fan totally. Let's see, it's working. Here it is, and yes, all the actual fan stages turn also into 0. Well done. Let's build the rest of our air handling unit. Same way I added supply fan, obviously fine tune its position, cooling valve, heating valve, return air filter, that green one over there, duct temperature sensor, another one for relative humidity, now the dampers, and I fit here the fresh air filter. The temperature set point is my main control tag. Some airflow arrows. I will link all to the fan multi-state so it would stop when the fan stops. And finally, the Kyoto wheel. Let's see if the values on the iPad are identical to the values on my screen. Yes, perfect. Let me decrease the Kyoto wheel speed a bit. And see how it would reflect. Nice, isn't it? Let's increase it again. No words. Beautifully well done. I'm so glad that I have the opportunity to show you how incredibly and super easy it is to use this application to replace your old style BMS or even start a new affordable one, as long as it's BACnet, of course. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. See ya!